Here's a question that sounds simple, but will probably change how you think about money forever. If someone offered you $100 right now, or $110 next week, which would you take? Most people say the 100 now. And honestly, that makes sense. Money today feels more real than money tomorrow. You can spend it, invest it, use it. The future is uncertain, so take the cash. But here's where it gets interesting. What if that same logic, that money now is better than money later instinct, is the exact thing quietly destroying your financial future? Because it is. And nobody really explains how deep this goes. We grow up learning two separate things about money and time, but nobody ever connects them properly. On one hand, we learn that time is valuable. Time is money, people say. Don't waste it. Productivity matters. Every hour counts. On the other hand, we learn about saving and investing. Start early. Compound interest is powerful. Be patient. Both of these ideas sound reasonable, but here's the problem. Most people hold both ideas in their head without ever actually understanding how they interact. And because of that, they make decisions that quietly cost them hundreds of thousands of dollars over a lifetime. The trap isn't about laziness. It isn't about not knowing that investing is good. Most people know they should be saving more. The trap is psychological. It's built into how your brain was wired, long before money even existed.